Ever wondered how those beautiful edible sugar decorations are made on your favorite desserts? Welcome to the world of sugarcraft, a delightful intersection of culinary arts and creativity. It's time to unravel the sugar-coated secrets. Today, we dive into the top 5 artistic techniques used in sugarcraft. Starting off our list is the creation of intricate sugar flowers. These sweet blooms are crafted from sugar paste, meticulously shaped and tinted to mimic nature's beauty. They're vital in cake decoration, adding depth and visual appeal. Sugar flowers can add a touch of elegance to any dessert. Next up, we have the fascinating technique of sugar sculpting. This process involves molding sugar into intricate designs, a challenge that requires patience and precision. From awe-inspiring centerpieces to delightful cake toppers, sugar sculpting truly takes the cake when it comes to creativity in sugar crafting. The third technique on our list is pulled sugar art. This involves heating sugar to a pliable state, then stretching and shaping it to create intricate designs, such as ribbons or flowers. It's an art form that transforms desserts into stunning, edible masterpieces. Pulled sugar art can bring a wow factor to any dessert. Number 4 on our list is poured sugar art. This technique involves melting sugar to a liquid state, then pouring it into molds or onto a surface. It's the go-to method for crafting glossy, smooth decorations. Poured sugar art is perfect for those who prefer a sleek and shiny finish. Last but not least, we have cast sugar art, a technique where molten sugar is poured into molds, then cooled to create stunning three-dimensional sugar decorations. From intricate sculptures to delicate embellishments, cast sugar art allows us to create three-dimensional, edible masterpieces. So there you have it, the top 5 artistic techniques for sugarcraft. We delved into the delicate art of crafting sugar flowers, the intricate process of sugar sculpting, the mesmerizing allure of pulled sugar art, the glossy finesse of poured sugar art, and the textured beauty of cast sugar art. Each technique brings a unique charm, elevating the aesthetics of any dessert to a whole new level. Next time you see a beautifully decorated dessert, you'll know the magic behind it. Until then, keep crafting and keep exploring the sweet world of sugarcraft.